Good day mga ka-runners. So today, start na ulit tayo sa ating training plan. So today naman, 10K PB attempt naman tayo today. For this plan, 1 month plan ulit. Current time natin is 59:30. So goal ko is mapa 57 minutes natin. So for today's Huawei session plan is a 30 minutes easy run. So building endurance ulit para makatakbo tayo ng mabilis. So come and join me. Let's have some fun here again at BGC grounds. Run safe guys and enjoy running. Let's go. 1K 8 minutes, 2K 8:46, 3K guys 8:45. So that's our easy run, 30 minutes easy run here again at BGC grounds. So a total of 3 kilometers lang tayo. Kasi hindi daw pwede masyado mag-exercise kasi magkakaroon tayo ng blood chem. Kaya yung mga activity muna natin today is mga easy run lang. So after ulit mag-medical, all out na ulit tayo sa running. So yun lang, I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life, for a better living. Let's go! Peace!